Hey, what up, guys? Welcome to a quick update from KrowndByKenzie. So it seems that our friends over at What Else Is Going On podcast, shout out to them and make sure you guys follow her as well. She was live streaming play by play the court proceedings for the Grand Dame of Potomac, Karen Huger. So I wanted to share this with you guys really quickly, okay? Because it seems the Grand Dame had a bit of a breakdown. Take a look. All right. So you guys see, she started here. She was live at the courthouse 7 hours ago. Closed hearing, but the court is in session. You see the picture there. All right. So here's the play-by-play. She said, "I'm inside now." Then she says, Karen's lawyer just gave a statement from Karen to the judge that he read silently. "I have eyes on Ray." So Ray was there, which we expected him to be. Her cousin that was on the show, and I can confirm she has the 613 hair in with the black roots. Now, Shay did, but at least it wasn't that DUI wig. Ugh, horrible. All right. So she says her lawyer is oh no, hold on. I almost skipped a step. Um Oh, no. She said her lawyer is presenting reasons to the judge why she went to the type of recovery center she went to. He said you have to make it appealing for people to step away from their everyday lives, sort of like an incentive to get help. Because you guys remember they said that well, it was allegedly that she went to a facility that was not really like your typical average rehabilitation center. It was more like a resort for the wealthy, I guess. And I heard somewhere that they had a wine tasting or something like that. I don't know. That's alleged. But obviously it was not to the court's liking. She went to a place called Right Turn for 48 hours. It is a place with rooms meant to look like jail cells, so she could experience what that's like. She also has a continuing relationship with her therapist. That's good. She has signed up to participate in programs where she has a handheld breath device. A handheld? I thought it goes in your car. Serious. It will require her to blow 4 times a day. The results go to whomever she chooses. Next step, 6 hours ago, she said Ray is getting ready to testify. Oh, I didn't know they were going to let Ray testify. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Raymond Huger. Ray said the kids are a little hurt by this. Her lawyer asked if Ray was aware of everything that Karen has done in the last few months to get help. He said yes. He told the judge Karen is doing very well and has recovered from the accident, and Karen is crying. So the grand dame finally broke. Now I'm not basking in that. And I cannot say that it's unexpected because if this is your fourth DUI, and I previously said in my video, which I'll link at the end of this video, I was reading a statement from the Daily Mail, but I realized that I said that she did not get probation that first time, and she actually did get probation. All right. And so I wanted to clarify that. But she said Ray said the kids are a little hurt by this. But my thing is her cousin, he was on the phone with her when she was drunk that night, if I'm not mistaken, because I think he said it on the show. Don't quote me on that, but go back and watch it. I have to go back and watch it too. But I remember something about him being on the phone with her when it happened. So my point is the way she looked and sounded on that video, you can tell over the phone that she was grown, like she was lit in her words. And the kids, you guys didn't know after her fourth, hell, after her second DUI, y'all didn't know she had an issue with alcohol. I'm just saying. All right. So she goes on to say, he told the judge Karen is doing very well and has recovered from the accident. And Karen is crying. Okay, I said that. Ray is 77, and I have to say he looks good and gets around good. That's according to what else is going on podcast. Her lawyer says she is a good person, has been gracious through the experience. He has asked the judge for a suspended sentence, 3 years probation, AA twice per week, make therapy a condition, and another thing, but I couldn't hear because people rustling around. Okay. The prosecution isn't really buying the reason given for Karen choosing that recovery spot. Uh oh, told y'all, wasn't to the court's liking. Prosecution is running down her other offenses and said something has to give. She understands people getting second chances, but this is her fourth. She has got second chances. Karen is speaking. Then she goes on to say she apologized for bringing this to trial and was arrogant in thinking she could handle alcohol. The judge is reading Karen's actions on that body cam to filth. Ooh, I bet he gave her hell in there. Oh, wait, what a tragedy. The judge said Karen is no stranger to drinking while driving on our roads. When she got a PBJ in 2007, I'm not sure what that is, but legal people go over to the comments and let me know. When she got a PBJ in 2007, one would think Miss Huger learned her lesson. In 2008, before the ink was dry on the other one, she was arrested again. He is not playing. Damn. Before the ink dried again? Oh, Karen, Karen, Karen. Not grand on behavior. Mm, mm, mm. But I think she, according to the last reunion, the last episode of the reunion, which again, I'll get back to you guys on that. I know I'm late. Don't judge me. Judge mammy. Don't judge me. All right. But I think according to the last episode of the reunion, oh no, the first one, I'm sorry. She said that she was relinquishing that persona of the Grand Dame. I guess she realized the error in that, or she was just saying that for the camera. Because if and when she comes back, I can't wait to see what she says. Because y'all know Karen is not one to really put it all out there. She will dance and twerk and shake that ass all around the tree like she did all this season. All right. He said Karen had the hang of working the system prior to 2011. All warnings went in one ear and out the other, but she remained undeterred. He ain't having it with her. He giving her ass the biz nigh e. You got it. The judge said, "How about a program without a summer connotation?" Not a summer connotation, talking about the rehab with the wine tasting, allegedly. Y'all, I think Karen is going to jail. So this is what else is going on. Podcast says just has sentenced Karen for 2 years with 1 year suspended. So what that means, guys, and I didn't get into it in the last video, but what that means is she will only serve one. Okay, that's pretty much the basis of it. She'll only serve 1 year, but still 1 year, jeez. And maybe with good behavior and community service, maybe she'll get out less than a year. She might do a couple of months. I really don't foresee her being in there for a whole year. No, it's not a federal prison, so I don't foresee that. But she did go on to say Karen has 30 days to appeal the judge said Karen has 30 days to appeal his decision and 90 days to ask the judge for a reconsideration to get him to lower it, which I really feel like she will be doing, her and her attorney. Most people, they're not going to accept that. They're not going to accept that sentence, especially if they're able to file an appeal. So I foresee Karen and her attorneys filing an appeal, but I guess we'll have to wait to see. While we do that, make sure you guys go on over to the comments and let me know what you think about this whole Karen Huger DUI debacle. Let me know. And also make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, as well as invite your friends and families to become one of our Crown Kings and Queens. Guys, this is very, very important to keep this channel going and to also keep me on here more and more. You guys got to do your part as well. So I appreciate you guys in advance and I love you for watching. Y'all have a great afternoon and enjoy your day. Bye.